You ready?
Joey!
Are you ready? Welcome.
Oh my goodness. Lunchtime and special treat.
What's that?
Massimos. I'm gonna eat all of the things. I'm so excited. You literally can't come to Noosa and not get an ice cream from Massimo's. Watch this out.
Now you gotta watch these big stairs.
Yeah. Ready? And one.
What are you gonna run?
I don't know. I'm going to try a couple of different things, I think.
Are you? Good.
They've got Christmas pudding. I must try that.
Oh god.
Thank you so much.
The way you wanted?
Oh, that's fresh. And then I've got my... Oh, it is like Christmas pudding. You want to see my magic trick?
What's your magic trick?
My magic trick. It'll be gone. You just have to wait a bit. I got my table reservation, Jono.
Did ya?
Yeah.
When did you put that one in?
Table for two.
Oh, sweet, thanks.
Let me clean this for you, sir.
How was your tofu?
So good. And I don't usually choose the veggie option, but I'm glad I did. It's very delicious. How's the view?
Not bad.
Tell you what though, I'm gonna need a swim in that pool. What do you reckon?
I reckon let's go back. Welcome home.
Oh hey, welcome home.
It's pretty hot.
I'm gonna chuck my toes on.
Straight to the pool. Straight in.
To the pool!
Got my log. Your log.
Rounding out our last night in Noosa on the beach. Cold drink, cold dip in the ocean. Although it's not actually that cold in the ocean, it's like a beautiful warm bath. You gonna get some?
Gonna have a go. Cheers! What a cracker!
Isn't it? Gosh, look at that. Sensational.
You ready for the next stop?
Yeah. We don't even really know where that is, but we're just going to drive for as long as we can.
Yeah. It's super early. We got to get 9-10 hours on the road.
We're going to need to do a MacGyver, or I need to do a MacGyver underneath this garage. Let's do it. I feel like I needed my hat, and then I could have done it from there. Needed to be way lower, but I don't have that time. Let's go. Your first stint. I'll help you with the driving today. You heard it here first. Okay.
32 in Bundaberg.
32.
Woo-hoo-wee. Big yam.
It's a big yam.
Warning. Crocodiles inhabit this area.
You gonna get the guy?
Oh, good. Is it exciting? Do you reckon there's going to be crocs?
I don't think so.
It's quite dry, surely not. Let's find this camp. Let's find this. Excited?
Yes.
We have literally spent a long time driving.
Yeah.
Guys.
The one in the middle.
What are we thinking? Is this the spot? Or we
Not
keep
sure.
windy?
There's too many good spots.
I know.
It's too hard.
We need more sunshine.
And we stay out of the wind.
Yeah. I think we're gonna go back up or go to the cliff. 2-wheel drive. This is not for you 2-wheel drives.
Pop it.
Pop it. Cheers. Couple of Melbournes in paradise. Basically been driving all day. How many Ks, Jono?
Oh, 400 or 500, I think. Not keeping track.
I actually haven't helped you today. You've done all the driving. Well done. We're making our way up to Magnetic Island. So tomorrow we'll be getting into Townsville to get the ferry across to Magnetic Island because we are going to visit a A-frame cabin which has just been renovated, and we've never been to Magnetic Island before, and we are so excited, aren't we?
It's going to be pretty fun. Looks like a pretty cool little spot.
It looks epic.
Super tropical.
So we're actually quite close. At the moment we're going to camp somewhere nearby Townsville. It's called Salmon Creek campsite. And then we've got about a half-hour drive to get to Townsville tomorrow morning. But we've got the rest of the day, we've got the afternoon to enjoy this place. We just have to find it. And
I found it. I saw it on satellite view.
Okay. We've got 4 minutes to go.
There.
We're nearly there. I'm excited. I'm excited, Johnny. What? What?
Oh,
Are your feet
the
burning?
sand's so hot.
Winnie?
Yes, it's hot.
There it is. For the benefit of like the people that don't know anything about 4-wheel driving or camping, like, I don't know, me, why do you let your tyres down again when you're driving on sand?
Because it lets your tyre stretch out and it increases your footprint of your tyre. So you get more surface area on the ground.
Which means you're less likely to get pulped.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, that wasn't even that bad. That was not that soft. You only get stuck when you don't put your tyres down.
The night at Salmon Creek. We didn't actually film that much when we got there because it was so hot. Us southerners didn't quite know how to deal with the temp, did we? And I actually went in the water for like 2 seconds. I was so hot. I didn't want to get eaten by a croc, so I was a bit nervous about that. The water temperature was just so hot anyway. It was like a bath, so it didn't even cool me down. Oh my God, it is crazy, but it is so beautiful. So we're up, it's super early, it's sunrise right now. We're gonna head into Townsville. We're gonna grab some supplies for the island and then we're gonna head over on the ferry. Yeah, we've got a 9 o'clock ferry and Frankie's gonna meet us on the other side.
We're gonna go through the soft bit.
Okay. Watching Frankie Ratford's story. Look at her. She's filthy. She's literally, this is this morning, she's still redowing.
I assume so.
Is it exciting?
Very exciting.
So we're in Nellie Bay, is that where we are? And whereabouts is your place?
In the north.
In the north.
Yeah,
What's your place called then? What
Horseshoe
area?
Bay?
Horseshoe Bay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right. So we've ditched Jono. This is just a girls only trip. You. All right. Frankie, give me the tour.
Alrighty, let's do this.
What a cracking day.
Alright, so ahead of us we have the 75% of the island. It's a national park.
75% national park. That's pretty epic. Oh, what?
I know, look at it, I live here.
Woo, we're here. Is this Maggie?
Yeah.
Oh,
Johnny's gonna...
Welcome.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my lordy, lordy, look at this. Oh, magical. So you actually bought this without seeing it?
Yes, correct.
So what was it like when you actually walked in here?
It was super dark, so everything was wood. It was everything you see that's white we've painted. So
Wow.
it was super dark and the whole of the upstairs wasn't there.
Oh my goodness.
I know, so it was pretty dark.
Gosh, there's just something about an A-frame, isn't it? How long did it take you to renovate?
So it's been 2 months.
2 months renovating?
So the biggest things were painting it white because it was like pitch black in here. The deck was only 1 meter wide and there was like a tree out the front.
Oh my
I
god.
don't feel like I'm ready for this. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, don't even. You're fine. This is big.
Yeah, so that was all wood and it was so dark.
Yeah. I love that you painted it though.
And then the bathroom, oh my god, it's been the biggest nightmare.
Oh, the famous floor. You literally just finished this.
I finished this
Was
an
this
hour
a
ago.
Bunnings number?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh my god, I
But
love
literally
it.
finished like an hour ago.
Oh my gosh. Gosh, it's big.
The filming upstairs is going to be very nice because you're going up the ladder.
Hang on, I'm going up. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is a magical little world. Oh, and gosh, so this is big, your land.
Yeah. So that's like a separate property.
So
that
you've
we've, like-
just fenced that off.
Yeah, so that's going to be another separate property. Oh my god, this is actually the most popular bed in
This
the
is
house.
so good.
We still get the
I'm
bit of the
putting a
fan.
projector up here too.
I'm coming down. This is epic.
Yeah, so it will be there, and then we just put power in behind here so that we can put the
Oh,
projector.
that's so good. Well, let's get a drink.
Yeah, what's the plan?
I reckon I want to see Elton.
Hey guys, I'm Frankie. Today I'm going to show you my van, which I live in. He's over here, parked on the beachfront. You want to come see him?
Is he called Elton?
Okay, so Elton is named after Elton John because I'm English, and he peaked in 1989, which is when he was made. So yeah, that's Elton. Look at him, he's so cute. I love him. He's a Toyota Hilux. So it's a ute front and then it's a motorhome back that's been strapped on the back. So yeah, you guys want to see inside? So in here we have the toilet and shower. Oh, amazing. Then through here we have the 3 seats. This is my bed, which is really great because there's lots of space above it. Lots of airflow, so you can open all the windows. Amazing. Over here we have the fridge. We've got the rubbish bin in here, the sink. This is my wardrobe. I don't want to look in there.
What's in your fridge, Frankie?
We're not opening the fridge.
What's in your fridge, Frankie?
There's nothing in the fridge. We have a microwave, aircon. This is like tools, clothes, kitchen stuff. And then we have like this little hangout area for 4 people.
I love it in here. Oh my goodness, it's
We
just
should have
so
these.
cool. This is like very spacious.
I know, it's like a proper lounge room.
You don't think this when you see it from the outside.
So you can open all this, see?
I love your... Oh, that's so good. You're such a little nomad.